Hi there, this video will show you how easy it is to update the slider area of the site and add captions, as you see we've got it on there now. So first, you want to prepare an image before you get started in an external image editing program like Photoshop or an alternative to that. And so you want to prepare the image, number one. Number two, you want to prepare it in the right dimensions. So let's figure out the best dimensions here. So if I right click on any existing slide and I select copy image URL, your drop down menu may be slightly different again. I'm using a Chrome browser here, but all the different browsers will have an option to copy the image URL, and then you can paste it in up here. So I can see that it's 940 pixels wide by 360 pixels tall. So there you go, 940 by 360. So I've gone ahead and created an image before the video started, and it's 940 by 360. So I've got the image on my computer. So first step is we need to upload the image to the site's image gallery. So we'll do that. So I'm already logged in. I'll go to the dashboard. We're going to upload the image, and I do that over here, Media, Add New. So this is simply uploading it, not really connecting it anywhere. It's just going to be available in the site's library. So I navigate to where the image might be, upload it, there. So it's done now. Once you see this little edit feature, that means that the image has been uploaded and it's there for use. So now that's step one. We're on step two. Step one is create the image. Step two is upload. Step three, attach it to the slideshow. Go back to the front end for a second, and we're going to edit this page. This is the page with the slideshow on it. So we click edit there, then we scroll down until we see the slideshow. There's the 4 slides that are currently part of it. Now it says select media here. These are the images that have been uploaded to the back end of the site. So lo and behold, there's my test image, my new image. So there it is. So now it's been added in sequence to the show. If I want to just update, I click right there and we're good to go. If I want to add some captions, I just click on the little black and yellow pen here. So this top field is where the large text goes. That's all I've used so far. I think that's you'll probably be okay of only ever using that field. This second box here puts some smaller subtitle information. So you'd click done, and now it's on there. And then you'd again just click update, and then it would be included. So that's the simple way of doing it. Now I'll show you some of the more advanced item features. So first I can delete this. Get rid of that. I don't really want it there. Next, if I wanted to add a link to, actually let's add it up. I'll experiment with this one. If I wanted to add a link, maybe I could open up the site, go to About Us, grab the page link, edit this guy. Maybe I want it to say read more about us, and I want it to be clickable. I want people to be able to click that and then go to the page. I would then go here, link to URL, and paste in my path. There it is. Now, when the caption comes up, I'm not hitting save. I don't want to change the live site. This would then be a link to, in that case, the About Us page. So you can go ahead and add links to any of the existing slides that we created, if you want, or for future slides, if you've got a summer promotion or a fall promotion, you can, you could advertise the parties or the camps and put a link right to that subpage. So for now, though, I'll delete this. And then there's one other thing I'll show you, which was here. This is where I changed the speed of the slideshow. Slider setting. Anything slider. So there's 3 different types of sliders supported by this theme. We're using the anything slider. So these are just some options. Pause on hover, which means, excuse me, when I've got my mouse on the slide, on this particular slide, it won't advance. That's just a little setting there. You can toggle that on and off. These are just some settings. I can't imagine you changing any of those. But here is probably the 2 most important things. Animation speed refers to the speed at which the slides change. So when it slides over, like this process, I think it's measured in milliseconds. So it's 600 milliseconds for them to swipe left and right. The second rating, 4,000, this is the pause time. these are the number of milliseconds that it stays visible. So it counts in the background 4,000 milliseconds, and then it automatically will go to the next slide. So if you wanted to stay on each slide a little bit longer, maybe you'd make that 5,000. The original setting was 9,000, just for reference. So 4,000 is good, but if you wanted to go a little bit faster, you can make it 3,500 or 3,000. So again, this section is under good space. I'll just go back there. Good space, slider setting, anything slider. So that's how you get to this part. Thank you.